Hello everybody and welcome to my 7th tutorial on screen capture, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use transitions. Now transitions are simply what you use to go from one kind of image to another, or in this case recording to another. And we've got two different types of transitions. If I just split it all here, so I've got it split out. You've got a transition on a track here, and all transitions happen on just one track. So we've got this first transition into a track with nothing before it, and then we've got a transition from one recording into another recording, and it works slightly different on each of these things. In order to do the transitions, we need to be clicking on the Transitions tab. So if we select from here the one we want, so I'm going to use a gradient wipe to start off with. And if I click and drag this, you'll see that in yellow it highlights the areas where I can actually use these transitions. It's only on video recordings, it's not going to be on the sound because you wouldn't want to use them on the sound, it wouldn't make sense. And you'll see here I've got just one bit highlighted yellow, and then here I've got yellow fading into yellow and then out of yellow again. So if I put it here, and I'll show you what happens here. So we press play, and you see that instead of just appearing, it transitions in, as the name would tell you, I guess. And that's really useful, and if you click and drag on here, then you can extend how long it takes to come out. So if we press play here, you see that it reveals itself very slowly. So what happens when we have two tracks next to each other like this? So if I use the cube rotate and click and put it on here, you'll see that instead of just being on the one bit of track, it's actually highlighted itself across both the recordings here. And I'm just going to click and drag them out a bit to make it last a bit longer. And if I start pressing play from about here, you'll see that as it goes from one thing, it then flips around into the next one. So this is really useful when you have different recordings that you're piecing together, and it just helps signify to people that you're moving on to a new topic, say, or you're moving on to something else. And also, a lot of people just bunch a load of clips together on YouTube, and it looks really messy. So this is a way of getting around that by using some quite cool transitions. There's a lot of them in Camtasia that are already in there. And that's going to be it for transitions. In the next tutorial we'll finally be moving on to how to produce your recordings. So thanks for listening, please like and subscribe, and I hope to catch you soon.